on WBAP, Chief Meteorologist Brad Barton live at the WBAP Weather Center. The National Weather Service issued new severe thunderstorm warnings for Jack, Parker, and Palo Pinto counties. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP.
Here we go. Finally.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm warnings for Jack, Parker, and Palo Pinto counties until 6 p.m. A severe thunderstorm complex is located near Possum Kingdom, or about 15 miles east-southeast of Graham, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. This storm may contain 1.5 inches that will be bringing 40% size.
Friday night is mostly cloudy.
Now moving toward Gregford by 5:10, and other locations impacted by this warning include Barton's Chapel, Advance, Oran, Salesville, and Peytonville. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning issued for southern Jack, northwestern Parker, and northern Palo Pinto counties until 6 p.m. A storm east of Possum Kingdom moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.